Hello, dear friends. I'm so happy to share my passion for tidying with you. Tonight, let's embark on a journey to create a haven of peace and tranquility in your home, starting with a nightly cleaning routine. Imagine waking up each morning to a clean and organized home, a sanctuary that sparks joy and sets a positive tone for your day. Are you ready to experience the magic of Nightly Zen? Let's begin. Before we begin, let's take a moment to reflect on the goals we want to achieve through our nightly cleaning routine. Do you envision a spotless kitchen where every utensil has its place? Or perhaps a serene living room ready to welcome you with open arms after a long day? Visualize these spaces, feel the joy they bring, and let these feelings guide your actions. Remember, we're not just cleaning, we're cultivating a sense of peace and order that will permeate every aspect of our lives. Now that we've set our intentions, let's create a plan, a personalized ritual tailored to your home and lifestyle. Begin with the basics, those small acts of tidying that spark joy. Perhaps it's washing the dinner dishes and wiping down the counters, simple steps that create a ripple effect of calm throughout your home. Gradually, as you become comfortable with these small victories, incorporate additional tasks that align with your intentions. Remember, we're not striving for perfection, but rather creating a sustainable routine that becomes a source of peace and satisfaction. Imagine this. It's 8 p.m., and a gentle melody fills the air as you begin your nightly ritual in the heart of your home, the kitchen. With each plate washed and each surface wiped, you create a sense of harmony and order. By 9 p.m., the kitchen sparkles, and you move gracefully to the living room, where stray items find their designated homes, and cushions are plumped with loving care. Finally, by 10 p.m., you retreat to your bedroom, a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get swept away by the demands of daily life. But fear not, for we have faithful allies in our journey towards Nightly Zen reminders. Think of these reminders as loving whispers, gently nudging you towards your cleaning ritual. Perhaps it's a soft chime on your phone at 8 p.m., inviting you to begin your kitchen transformation. Embrace these reminders not as burdens, but as opportunities to reconnect with your intentions and create a home that truly sparks joy. Our homes are not merely spaces we inhabit, but reflections of the love and connection we share with those dearest to us. Let's invite our families to join our nightly ritual, transforming it into a cherished time for bonding and shared purpose. Imagine the laughter and joy as children excitedly tidy their toys, their little hands working alongside yours to create a harmonious space. Remember, tidying together is not just about sharing the workload. It's about fostering a sense of togetherness and creating lasting memories. Who says cleaning can't be enjoyable? Let's infuse our nightly ritual with activities that spark joy and transform mundane chores into moments of delight. Imagine yourself swaying to your favorite tunes, your heart filled with gratitude as you effortlessly wipe down countertops. Or perhaps you prefer to immerse yourself in the captivating world of an audiobook, the characters accompanying you as you fold laundry and tidy up clutter. Let your cleaning become a joyful dance, a celebration of your home and the love it holds. As you faithfully follow your nightly routine, you'll notice a profound shift within yourself and your home. The energy will flow more freely, and a sense of peace and order will envelop you. It's important to acknowledge and celebrate these victories, no matter how small they may seem. Reward yourself for your dedication, for you deserve to bask in the joy of a clean and organized home. Whatever brings you joy, let it be a testament to your commitment to creating a haven of peace. Like any worthwhile endeavor, consistency is key to unlocking the transformative power of Nightly Zen. It's about showing up for yourself and your home every evening, even when life throws its inevitable curveballs. Some days you may only have 15 minutes to spare, while others, you might find yourself with more time and energy. The important thing is to approach your routine with a joyful heart and a commitment to creating a haven of peace, one night at a time. Each small step you take brings you closer to the tranquil home you envision. Congratulations, dear friends! You've embarked on a beautiful journey towards creating a home that truly sparks joy. By setting clear intentions, crafting a personalized ritual, and embracing the power of consistency, you've taken significant steps towards a more peaceful and harmonious life. Now it's time to put your newfound knowledge into action. Embrace the magic of Nightly Zen and witness the transformative power it holds. Let's inspire one another and create a ripple effect of joy, peace, and tidiness, one home at a time.